Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So, it's Roy here again with another pro tip for you. This pro tip is centered around your morning routine or your morning schedule. So, your morning schedule, no matter what time of day that is. For mine, it's at 5 a.m. that I'm getting up by, and I'll go into more of that here in a second. So, your morning routine is highly important. Not only for your health of your business, but is also just important for your regular health as well. So my morning routine consists of, I get up at 5 a.m. By 5:15 to 5:30, I'm out the door. I'm running for the day. I run between 1 and 2 miles every morning. Then I come back, I get my breakfast into me, I get a shower, and I'm usually out the door by 7 a.m. No later, and I'm in my shop by then. What this does is this early morning rush of activity gets your blood flowing, it gets you pumped, gets you ready for the day. It's very important to take and put down the cell phone, go and check emails and messages and things like that first thing in your day. It's a habit that happens, but if there's any sort of negativity there, it can really drag down the rest of your day. So, do your best to take and listen to things that are positive, things that are encouraging, stuff that will set you up right for the rest of the day to have a good attitude and a good mentality, whatever that may be for you. So how does this routine help in business? This routine helps in your business if you're doing business as a blacksmith or any type of business, because what you believe about yourself during the day and what you believe about others and stuff like your coworkers and counterparts and things like that during the day really does matter, and it influences how well things get done, how efficiently things get done. One thing on business, I can go in right now, it's sitting about 7:45 in the morning right now, almost 8 o'clock actually. I think it's at nearly 8 o'clock. But I can shoot this video, I can get it done. I could probably even edit it and get it uploading while I go on and do other work for the day. And, I'm already way ahead of the curve, okay? I've got a long day ahead, or I can have a short day ahead. Or I can have time in the evening for my family, or I can have time in the evening to pursue other career goals or opportunities, depending on what stage you are in life. So it's very important to set good habits and good routines, not only in your business but in your life, and they do play together. They do. If you have bad habits and bad routines in just your own personal life, it will bleed over into your company or your business that you're running or your workplace. So start trying to do a little self-evaluation, and it can really help increase not only the profits of your company or business, but it just helps bless your life in general. And you will find that you're a much happier person with a set schedule that you take and follow. So I'm going to finish up this video with a bit of a warning. Setting a new routine is not easy. It takes between 30 and 60 days at a bare bones minimum, and up to about 90 to 120 days to set a really good routine that you won't deviate from. If you do, it won't be much. And so to be able to take and do that, here's the word of caution. It is so easy to let other people come in and ruin and wreck your routine and your schedule and your things. And it seems like whenever you try to start doing something good for yourself, something in life tries to happen to kind of throw you off your game, to get you depressed, to get you upset about the day, to get you whatever. That's the important thing of not looking at the cell phone first thing in the morning and reading all the bad politics, right? Or whatever's going on out there in the world. Mine thing, it's mean YouTube comments. If I read those first thing in the morning, it just sets me on edge, kind of like, why am I even doing YouTube? And I've got all this work to do for the day, and why would I care? That's the wrong attitude to have, because I know why I do YouTube, and I know why I enjoy interacting with you guys, and it's for positive and encouragement and upliftment like this. So be very careful of those that are time drains and energy suckers from you in your life. They will come out of the woodworks as soon as you try to start uplifting and encouraging and trying to do some sort of good and positivity out here in this big old world. So be careful of those. Those are a few pitfalls. This video's went on long enough. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. Remember to subscribe and hit the jingly bell for notifications. And if you're in the market for a power hammer plan or educational, any sort of teaching, educational course or anything like that, you can find that all over at my website at ChristCenteredIronworks.com. Thank you once again. God bless you and have a great day.